Do you want an automation which can automatically reply to all your customer queries? Then watch this video till the end, because in this video I have bought an WhatsApp AI assistant which is going to respond to all your customer queries within the WhatsApp and within few seconds. And now let me show you what I'm talking about. So for that, you have to move towards my WhatsApp with me, where I'm going to act as a user, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is, hey, I need help, and this message is going to initiate my AI assistant which is going to respond to all the queries of my customer. So here I'm going to just enter this message. And as I have provided this message, I'm getting the response which says, of course, I'm here to help with the sharpness related questions. And right here, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my e-commerce business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. And right here, I'm going to enter another question to check its proper working. So here I have entered this question, that is, what products do you offer? Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer which says Shopnest offers product across these categories. And right here we are getting the product categories. And now let's enter another question to check its proper working. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, what's your refund policy? Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And now you might be thinking how we are getting the response according to my business details. So it is doing so because I have provided it the knowledge base. And right here you can check out that I'm getting the Shopnest refund policies. And now let me show you the knowledge base or the brain of the AI assistant. So here you can see that this is the knowledge base, basically a document containing the details of business according to which my AI assistant is responding to me. And right here you can see that I have started this knowledge base with the business overview, which will let my AI understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right the next, I have provided all the product information, and here you can check out its pricing, offers and discounts. And here I have provided order placement process and whatever the necessary information is. And this basically acts as the brain for my AI assistant. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing AI assistant which is going to respond to all the queries of your customers instantly. And now you don't have to manually reply to your customers again and again. And now your customers don't have to wait for the response, because as soon as they will send the message, they will instantly get the response. So now let's see the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, which I have created by using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So let's move on towards the AI assistant page of the Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on this page where we are going to create our AI assistant. So for getting this page, you have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So you have to type the URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing this AI assistant for free inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this AI assistant and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards our AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here we are on this AI instruction tab, where I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent, but you can select another type as well. And here we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now here we have to set the temperature. So here temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. But here I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature. And from this field you can select the AI to use, and from here you can select the model of your OpenAI. Now here we have to enter the API key, which will let my OpenAI to answer my customer queries. So for getting it, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page, and right here beyond this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. But I already have my API key, so I'm going to just click over this connect, and here you can see my OpenAI key has been saved successfully. Now from this AI assistant settings section, you can manage some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles. And the next we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. So here you can enter it. And the next we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10. And the next we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. Now let's manage the knowledge source, and here I'm going to provide my knowledge base, and you can upload it in .txt or .pdf file format. So here I'm on my media library where you can see that I'm getting this knowledge base for my e-commerce store. So I'm going to upload it. But if you want to add a new knowledge base, then you can just click over this add new file. So here I'm going to select it and click over this insert button. And right here you can see that my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully, and we are getting this name and the vector ID. Now let's configure assistant interface. So here we are getting this first field for entering the header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter my header display heading name as Shop Nest, which is the name of my brand. And as I have entered it, you might have observed one change, and that too in the preview of your assistant, that we are getting the same header display heading name. And the next we are getting this option for subheading name, and here we are getting this subheading name which can be seen on the preview too. And afterwards we are getting this option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message which can be seen on the preview of your assistant. And here you can enter two initial messages, and for this field that is powered by Pabbly label, you can either enable or disable it. And as I have disabled it, you can see the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. And here on this field you can provide the footer text, footer link, and at last we are getting this option for user's first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. Now let's move on towards our next tab, that is styling and customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. And right here you can select your preferred theme mode, preferred assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And you can even provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So this was the simple process for creating this no code AI assistant, which is going to reply to all your customers instantly. And now we just have to enable it by activating this toggle, and let's save it by simply selecting this button. And right here our AI assistant has been saved successfully. Now if you have created this AI assistant, you might want to add this to your website. Then you just have to click over this embed button. And right here we are getting the script code which you can paste over your website, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. So this is the simple process for embedding this AI assistant to whatever website you want. And now with this we have created our AI assistant, saved it, and embed it. Now let me show you how you can enable this AI assistant for your all contact or a particular chat. So for enabling it for your all contacts, you just have to go towards the settings, and here you have to select this inbox settings, and you will be landed to this page where you have to keep this button enabled, that is enable AI auto replies. And from here you can select either your contact list or your all contacts for which you want to enable this AI assistant, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So this is the process for enabling AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. Now let me show you how you can do it for a particular chat. So for that you have to move towards my inbox with me, and here I'm going to enable it for this particular chat. And right here you can see that we are getting this option for choose AI assistant which you have to enable, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I have selected the AI assistant which I have just created, and here you can see that it is enabled successfully. Now if this user will message me, the responses will be provided by my AI assistant, and now it is going to resolve all the queries of my customer, and now you don't have to manually reply to your customers again and again. And now your customers can message you 24/7 and they will instantly get the response because it is going to work all day for you. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.